Now to find the resistance of different resistors. Look at this one, this 46k ohms resistor of 1 watt. Look at this one, this also 46k ohms resistor but of quarter watt. These are look to be same as we look at the color code of these resistors. The first one is yellow, the second one is violet, and the third one is orange, and the last one which show resistivity of resistor, it also be the same. We can use different type of multimeter such as analog as well as digital multimeter. The unit of resistance is ohms. We measure distance in miles or kilometers, weight in pounds or kilograms, temperature in Fahrenheit or centigrade, and electrical resistance in ohms. The ohm is an international unit of resistance. Look at this symbol. Ever you measure the resistance, this is known as ohm. There are so many types of multimeter, which is used to measure the resistance, and having different ranges such as look at. You can accurate measure the resistance by selecting suitable range. To measure the resistance, connect the terminals of multimeter rigidly with resistor ends and note the reading. This is 46k ohms resistor. This is also 46k ohms resistor.